Please, straight away denote in the question. This is your Y1 and this is your Y2. Okay, that is your Y1 and Y2. Do you get me? So when you do part A, what you need to write down is you write down like that. Integrate from 0 to 3 Y1 dx. So when you key in your Y1, make sure you check every single thing properly, because you are going to repeatedly use that. Plus, integrate from 3 to k y2 dx must be equal to 1. So you take out your GC, go to your solver. Okay, so your E, you have 2, correct? So E1 and E2. So the E1, you will write that one, integrate 0 to 3 y1 dx plus integrate 3 to x. You put there x. Y2 dx. Then here you put 1. Then you press OK. Then they will have an x come out. So the x there, if come out too big, so please don't use the big number. Try to use as close to 3 as possible. So if it's come out too big, you just put, okay, 3. Then after that, you have to press alpha, enter. Okay, then you will see up there, you keep the thing keep moving, circle, 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 correct? Keep moving. Then after that, you will come out with the x value, 4 point what? 4.65 something, correct? 66, round off. Yep. Would that be okay? And if you want it to be more accurate, you try to go more decimal, so that is very close to 1. So 4.6 what? 65 what? Okay, we try to 4.656. Okay, use this value. So therefore, then you answer. So all these you don't have to show it to the examiner. So you just say, therefore, K equal to 4.656. Okay, K equal to 4.656. Okay or not? Then you start to sketch the graph. Okay, so I leave you to sketch the graph. I want the graph to look some sort like this. From 0 to 3, you use the blue line until here. Understand? Then the rest you cut off. Right? Then you see the red line is high up here. So you from here, you join high up. Then from 3 to 4.656, 656, you draw down. Okay, until here, then you draw, here is 0. So this will be the probability density function. And it's good if you can jot down the coordinate of these 2 points. You get what I mean? Okay? So bear in mind, it doesn't mean all the graph must be like that. No, no such thing. It doesn't mean. So you have to be very careful. The probability distribution function. Okay? I tell you, or some of the cases you may get like that. You go like that, then it can come down and go like this. Possible also. I don't know. Depend on the function given to you. Yeah? Huh? Here. Yes. Because this is that after equal to 0. Bam. You drop straight to 0 because it's a continuous, but it's not a curve. You get me? Because I got say 0 otherwise. Not like other question, they just between 1 and 2. You see or not? Because I got say 0 otherwise. So that means other value of x is 0. So I have to drop it down and put it 0. This part is for 0 otherwise. You see other question other than question 10, correct? The rest of it don't have. That's why they didn't draw down. You see or not? Like for example, question 2, correct? They say your x is between 1 and 2 only. Other value of x is not defined. You get me? You get me? You understand, huh? What about team building lah? Saya sibuk sampai tak tercakap lah team building. Okay, huh? So for part C, if you want to find mean, correct? So you have to apply into this formula. From 0 to 3, you must time x with the probability density function. That is to find, okay, first part. But you have the second part, 3 to 4.656. Mean always must time with x, y2, dx. So you just punch into the calculator, you get the answer. So what is the answer? 3.4 for what? 9. For 9, huh? Okay, got it? So you have to key into your calculator. Okay, then for median, every time when you find median, you cannot find straight away. You have to check first. How we check? It's up to you. You want to do it from the front to the back or the back to the front. I prefer to see the first front part first. I want to count the probability for from 0 to 3. What is the sum of the probability? Yeah. So what do you get? 0.18. Am I right? So this is less than 0.5. So which means that the median is someplace somewhere here. So it's under the curve of y2. So that means if I integrate from the median to the highest possible value of x, but this one, I want to find the area, I have to use y2, all right? dx, I will get 0.5, 50% of it. That is the meaning of median, all right? So I use the solver, I get the median as, what is the median? 3.63. So this one is a bit skewed to the right. And left. It's still skewed left. Yeah, because the mean is less than the median. Okay. So when you want to talk about the mode, is the highest, that is 3. Correct? 3 has the highest probability. Correct? So done with part C. So this one you use solver, huh? Can or not? Okay, so everyone must learn how to use solver. So for part D, you want to find standard deviation, correct? Still follow the formula, square root, integrate from 0 to 3, x squared y1 dx. Just now the formula that you use for finding mean, correct? Actually, you can use here. You just insert a square up there, can it? Do you see that? So that will save a lot of your 3 to 4.656. Okay, then x squared y2 dx. Then minus the mean square. What is the mean just now? 3.49. 3.49 square. And square root, then you get the answer. So what is the answer? Wait, no. 0.8864. Okay, so agree, Suma agree, okay, good. Then the last part, we want to find the probability between 2 to 3.7. 2 to 3 is under y1. 3 to 3.7 is under y2. So you have to separate both. So probability from x from 2 to 3.7. So this is integrate from 2 to 3 y1 dx plus integrate 3 to 3.7 y2 dx. So if you want to interpret what is this value, I mean the chances that the variable will lie between 2 and 3.7 is that. Are you clear? Okay, so what is the answer? 457. Done. Okay, got it? Okay, so you have your graphic calculator, everything can be done easily. Okay, any other question? Okay, just record down so that you can see. Yeah. Okay. What will be the mean for this one? Nice. See, if I do this, integrate from 1 to infinity, 2 over x squared dx. Okay, why is infinity? I told you already, because the possible value of x is greater than 1. Correct? So that's why you go infinity. So when you integrate this, you got 2 negative 4 over x, 1 to infinity, correct? Hello? Am I right? Okay, so this will be negative 4 divided by infinity. Take away negative 4 divided by 1. So negative 4 divided by infinity, it will be 0 minus plus 4. So the mean will be 4. Okay? Can I? So the standard deviation also do the same. Now you go and, hey, saya punya mean sudah salah lo. Hello. Hello. Do you know my formula for the mean is wrong? Eh? No, correct. Because it's integrate. No. I'm right. It's integrate 1 to infinity x fx. Correct? So therefore, I simplify this, I got x squared. So saya betul, saya tak ada salah. Kerana sini saya tak tulis x, that's why I find that. Okay, so this is how you get is 0 to 1 to infinity 2 over x squared. Your probability function is x cubed, correct? So when you want to explain why is infinity, because x is greater than 1. And why you get this? Why you get this? You have to write down this step first. How to find the mean? Hello? X times fx. You want to find the mean, you must integrate from 1 to infinity, x times fx, correct? Hello? And the fx is 2 over x cubed. So you simplify. 2 over x squared dx. Clear? That is explain why the mean is like that. You get what I mean? I go back to the mean formula first. Okay? Done. Are you clear? So be very careful. Can or not? Okay, any more question?